Nicola. Nicola, you know, I'm watching your piece and I'm thinking, hold on, is this a mainstream project or is it more a subsidiary to the search for a vaccine? I mean, I'm thinking it could be either, because if it's looking at DNA, it could actually be something that provides a sort of longer-term solution to coronavirus.
Yeah, that's a really good question, Adnan. The thing is, of course, they don't know what they don't know. And the whole purpose of this study is to find out as much information about the virus and about how people are being affected as possible. And the thinking that our genes have some play in it is mainly because of the fact that they can't understand why some people are so badly affected. They end up in hospital, their immune response goes haywire and they end up on ventilators and it does kill people, and not necessarily always people who have underlying health conditions. And yet other people seem to be hardly affected by it. I mean, we've been covering on TRT World for the past few months people who seem to have absolutely no symptoms whatsoever but test positive for the virus. And that's why Professor Wilson is really appealing to people worldwide, which is one of the reasons why he wanted to speak to us, because he needs to have as many people signing up and being willing to share their DNA so that they can do this research. The words he used to me were he wanted to shine a light on the biology of people's genes and how the virus possibly does or doesn't affect them. And it's only through that that they can find out what variants might have something to play and whether that has some impact on the severity or the susceptibility to the disease, to the virus, and also then what they can do about treatment. So what he's not saying is that we'll all end up being screened, because of course that's just too massive an issue. But what they hope to do is therefore find the right type of treatments that can treat people who are so badly affected by looking at these variants in our genes.
Really interesting piece, and thanks so much for just adding on that last contribution there, Nicola. Take care, Nicola Hill, our health correspondent.